Hello once again, my beautiful people. This is Jennifer. I want to talk about soap, the use of soap for skin lightening. Okay, some people don't like to use cream. They prefer soap and they want to be lighter. Okay, they want like 2, 3 shades lighter, but without lotion. Probably they react to lotions, or they just don't like the feel of lotions in their skin, or they think they have very oily skin and would not want to add to that, even if it doesn't. But well, this is not to discourage you from what you feel you like or what's good for you. Okay, I'm just going to tell you how you can be able to achieve a lighter skin tone using soap. But note that there's a difference between lightening with lotion and lightening with soap. There's clear difference. You know why? Because soap is not a leave-on product. It's a wash-off product. And you can't carry the soap around for so long. Alright? You can go with your lotion for about 6 to 8 hours before your next shower. Okay? But soap, for how long? I don't think anyone can go around with soap for about 2 hours. It won't make any sense to me. And moreover, because most soap are alkaline, all right, you hardly before you see soap with a balanced pH, but most soap are alkaline, and leaving an alkaline product on your skin for too long, not good at all. So there's only a limited number of hours or period that you can leave soap on your skin. That being said, if you want to lighten with soap, it means you have to speed up the way your skin will absorb those particular lightening agents you use. So if you're using a lightening agent, say kojic, niacinamide, arbutin, and the rest in your lotion, all right, it has enough time to gradually seep through your skin to perform its work. Okay, but with soap, it has maximum of 20 to 30 minutes to do the same. So mind you, soap is definitely going to be slower than cream. The result you get from soap will definitely be slower than the result you get from cream. But that doesn't mean you cannot get good results from soap. If you want to get good results from soap, first of all, the soap has to have good absorbing properties. That's why when you want to use just soap to lighten, you have to let whoever is producing the soap for you to be aware, make them aware that that's the only thing you want to use for your lightening. Alright, otherwise you just get something that would enhance the lotion. Alright, so when we produce soap, for people who do not want to use lotion, do not want to lighten with lotion, but rather lighten with soap, we make sure that we enhance the absorbing properties of the soap. There's so many things that can increase the absorption rate of the items in your soap. And those are, some of them are acids, some of the acids, mind the way you use acid. Some acids used at certain percentage, okay? And then we also use propylene glycol. Propylene glycol helps product to absorb faster in the skin. We also have some secret ingredients we use to increase the absorption. That's number one thing you should be aware of. It must be a soap that has high absorption rates. Okay, high absorption rate, high absorption property. That's one of the properties that the soap must have. Secondly, you should be prepared to carry the soap on your skin for about 20 minutes. You don't just shower like the regular shower, take a regular shower and step out of the bathroom. You apply the soap and leave it on your skin to do the work for about 20 minutes before you wash off. Okay, that way, in that 20 minutes, combined with those extra additives that they've added to enhance the absorption property in the soap, you should begin to see good results. All right. Then, one secret to using soap as a lightening agent, only soap. If you want the soap to work, one secret is to shower with hot water. Not hot water that will burn your skin, but hot water that is hot enough to open up your pores. Alright? When you use hot water to open up, because stay under the hot shower, open up your pores for like 5 minutes. If you have a sauna, perfect. Go into the sauna steamer for 20 minutes. If you have a sauna, go into the sauna with the soap. Apply the soap on your body, go into the sauna. Stay in there for 20 minutes, step out and wash up. If you don't have a sauna, that's where the hot bath comes in. Okay, you take a hot bath for about 5 minutes, dab the excess water from your body, and then you apply soap wherever you want to use it. Apply the soap, leave it on for say 10, 15, 20 minutes. Then, sorry, I didn't know the phone had maximum recording minutes. So then you scrub off. Alright, so having done that, you find out that the soap would have absorbed into your skin, and then by the time you keep doing that, by 2 weeks you're seeing beautiful results from the soap. Okay, so that's one secret to effectively use soap for lightening. We have the Moroccan soap we use for brightening. The Moroccan soap we have, it doesn't lighten the skin, it brightens and unifies the complexion. But if you want to use it for skin lightening or skin whitening, then you now add the whitening serum into it. I don't even advise people to pour the serum into the soap. I advise you apply the serum all over your body, apply the soap, and leave it on. That's after you must have used your hot shower. But remember, if you use a hot shower, always end up with a cold shower. So don't say Jennifer asked you to use hot shower. If you use a hot shower, finish up with a cold shower to close back the pores. So that's the
with
best
the number
way
provided.
I'm
sorry the video ended this way. I don't know what's going on, but yes, that's basically all I have to say concerning lightening or whitening soap. Using just soap for your lightening process. So till I see you next time, bye.